and brother, last time don't try to fit, okay? Run, hard run, okay?
Okay.
Then you in the air, then you stop the running, okay? Tum lo rồi. Cản mất, cản sao?
Cản chạy thì thu, tắm chạy chạy là thu thành.
Ready?
Yes.
Run fast. More run, more run. More run, more run. Run, 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 run.
It's correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Feedback. Yeah.
Nice, nice. Thank you. My head is kapan angle is correct.
Yes.
Yes. Woo! Now we're flight at Serchip, Mizoram State. Now we are going to fly above our Himachal joint pilot, our professional, our lively pilot. Tuna hian Serchip. Chunga anthok meka. Ti hian joyride. Kan nei na hian tan dem flight te tia. Kan thei to pin Serchip. Masa Mizoram Aerosport Association tenen. Tuna hian flight kan nei mek ani. Kan lai muna hian Serchip patarin. Woo! We are gratefully, we are thankfully to him. Oh, that is John Bui and Serchip. We can fly above this any mountain or range, any valley we can see up down now. So I want to say about this Masa Mizoram Aerosport Association and Himachal Pradesh professional pilot are. We thank you to him, and I will check my YouTube channel. As you know, that is also my Facebook channel and Instagram. Also like me and view me. Thanks for watching me. So now, tuna hian Serchip bong chom tlang kan thil mek a. Hey, kan mu le kan thil tang hian kan tunga hian pilot thiam na tuk mai tandem pilot joyride kan tia tuna hian kan thiam to le kan phak to ki kan fly na Serchip bong chom tlang le a che vel kan khuta kan ma son Serchip ko pui alanga. As you know, as you see, the Serchip now, and that is also our takeoff point. As you know, as we see, that is our takeoff point, and our landing site is at Jolpui, I think it. Now we fly above by the paragliding. I love paragliding. We love paragliding. Thank you for watching me, and our next incident and the spot report is available for, I think, our next spot is also that is top landing or any landing. As we can see, there are so many valley and forest and mountain range is our under place. As you know, Tuna here can fly mega Serchip. Mizoram Aerosport Association Serchip sub headquarters. Fly to the joyride in Lake Puya. Kan pilot fel tak dem. Ebe so here tung sang ni na sum ni patung for 2023. We can kan chui to tharte kan thang dom pok ani. That is our achievement, lifetime achievement for our lifetime, and also that is my lifetime. I grant you, I wish you all my family and my colleagues for this and my friend. Our next time from Himachal Pradesh. Jit. Yeah, okay. He is our professional pilot. He, our cute pilot, and a very proficiency, a very efficiency. From here, we can view about this landing and landscape is also correctly show it. Now, as we know, that is our takeoff point. Now we're landing now here. Top landing is very carefully and very excellently. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. You are so profe.
Stand up.
Okay. Nice. Oh, that is top landing. We are ready already now. Yeah.